Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Associate account. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to go to your favorite browser. It could be in your phone, Windows computer, or on a device that has a browser. Alright, now once you're in here, you're going to want to type in the URL box affiliate-program.amazon.com/sign up. Alright, if you want to, don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Once you have it typed in, just tap on enter and you'll be landed on this page. So what you're going to want to do here, basically, it says here creating your Amazon Associate account. Just go ahead and put important details right here, like for example your location or your name or some sort of identification. All right here. And the next step would be is to select your website and mobile app list. Then it's going to go to your profile, and from there you should be able to use the Associate Central. And after that, your Amazon Associates account is now created. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.